Today we will discuss about installation of Java, how to install Java on Windows. Here we have discussed step by step procedure. Number 1, go to system properties. It can be found on control panel. Next, system and security, then system, then advanced system settings. Number 2, click on the environment variables button under the advanced tab. Number 3, then select the path variable in system variables and click on the edit button. Number 4, click on the new button and add the path where Java is installed, followed by \bin. By default, Java is installed in C:program files /java /jdk-11.0.1 if nothing else was specified when you install it. In that case, you will have to add a new path with C program files java jdk 11.0.1 \bin. Then click OK and save the settings. At last, open command prompt cmd.exe and type Java version to see if Java is running on your machine. Step 1. After open system, you go to control panel, then system and security, system. Next, step 2, click on advanced button, then click on environment variables. Number 3, path. Click on the path on C:program files Intel CLS client program ... Step 4, C program files java jdk 11.0.1 /bin. Next, step 5, write the following in the command line cmd.exe C:users \username, then write Java version. If Java was successfully installed, you will see something like this depending on version. Java installed, some PCs might have Java already installed. To check if you have Java installed on a Windows PC, search in the start bar for Java or type the following in command prompt: C user your name Java version. If Java is installed, you will see something like this depending on your version. If you do not have Java installed on your computer, you can download it for free at oracle.com. We write Java code in a text editor. However, it is possible to write Java in an integrated development environment such as IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans or Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing large collection or Java files. You follow these steps and install Java on your PC. Thank you.